Neuron flow in AI, migration from 1994 legacy shipping system to 3D, 4D, 5D DNN AI. Film frames video context. The video animates the flow of neurons across layered architecture inspired by biological neural networks, visually mimicking the transition from static legacy software to a dynamic, intelligent AI system. Scroll legacy 1994 shipping software. Flat menu system with rigid hierarchy. Modular but isolated components, example container master, voyage master. No built-in intelligence or prediction capability. Manual integration between modules like customs and invoice. Counterclockwise arrows button migration path using DNN architecture. One input layer, legacy modules as input neurons. Legacy modules are transformed into input nodes, grouped as master data, operations, and docs. Two hidden layers, learning, memory, and intelligence. 3D layer, detects historical patterns. 4D layer, adds time sequence learning, temporal intelligence. 5D layer, adds context and emotional intelligence for decision making. 3 output layer, decision, reports, forecasts. Smart delivery confirmations, predictive schedules, exception alerts, audit reports. Linked neuron flow explained. Each node in the animation is a neuron, representing a process or data point. Edges signify learned associations. Hidden layers identify how historical actions impact future results. Puzzle piece modernization outcome. Aspect legacy, 1994, AI-driven, 3D/4D/5D DNN. Intelligence non-predictive, temporal, contextual. Data flow static dynamic and self-learning. Custom reports manual automated, real-time. Decision support absent AI-powered recommendations. Memory no memory contextual memory across layers. Receipt conclusion, mentor view. This migration represents a neural transformation where the shipping system begins to think, remember, and forecast. It evolves from the flat 1994 legacy shell into a live, intelligent ERP powered by deep neural networks. Thanks for watching the video.